Hello, I'm Robert, fact checker and science blogger, and helping people who are scared of many things. And this time it's quite a simple thing. There's this news that's come out and it says Earth is headed towards the centre of the galaxy. The sun is headed towards and it says towards the monster black hole in the centre of the galaxy. There's nothing to be worried about here at all. Our sun, the black hole, is right in the centre there. 26,000. The light that left it during the last ice age. That's how far away it is. And the light travels to the moon in just over a second. Distance to the moon in light years. You can look at that. Distance to the moon in light seconds. .3 light seconds. So light takes 1.3 seconds to get to the moon, and the light that we see from the centre of the galaxy has been travelling there since the last ice age. So it's very, very, very far away. And as you can see, that's the sun's orbit, and it's pretty much a perfect circle around the centre of the galaxy. It's not moving towards the centre at all. And then this story, what it's about is just that they measured. And then I'll show you the measurement things. So if you look at this image, then you just measured the distance and the speeds of various stars that are quite close to us, near enough to measure. And then based on all those, they worked out from their orbits how far away the centre of the galaxy has to be. The centre of gravity, essentially the centre of gravity of our galaxy. The centre of gravity is the big massive black hole at the centre. And they work out that we are a little bit closer than we'd realised before. So, example I gave here is that suppose that you're living in New York or something, and you've worked out the distance to the Empire State Building, and say it's 1.6 kilometres, and you discover it's actually 1.5. You are out by 100 metres. Your house doesn't move 100 metres when you discover that you were closer to the Empire State Building than you thought you were. So it's like that. Nothing has changed. And now this is just a little bit about how the sun orbits the Milky Way. Turn the sun down when it comes up. There's the it doesn't got any sound. You can't change it. That gives an idea of the sun's orbit. You can see that that's the sun that's being traced around. That's underneath this, another ESO one. Let's switch the sound off. No, it's just that's all I wanted to show you. Okay, and then this is showing also the vertical scale is exaggerated here. Let's see, where do we see it? Again, it's our galaxy. Of course, we can't actually see it like this. This is worked out what they think it's like, and that's the sun and the Mercury, Mars. Then we'll come to Earth in a minute. And there we are. There's Earth. What's that all about? That's a claim. Oh yes, this absurd claim, and then so it just explains it's not true. And then, but then somewhere here we have that was the 2012 claim. I think one of the absurd things he said. Now this will show how the sun moves around the galaxy. Where is it now? There we are. It's just coming up. This vertical scale is greatly exaggerated. So, as it goes around that circle, it also goes up and down, but on a very long time scale. And that's where we are just now. Let's play the sound.
It is true that there would be a bit more stuff around us while passing through the galactic plane. But it turns out that completing just one bump of this wave pattern takes us about 33 million years.
Yeah, that's the main thing I want to say. So every 33 million years we go up and down like that, and it's just a very slight up. It's not nearly that's usually exaggerated. It's more like that. In fact, it's so slightly up and slightly down. It'll look like a straight line. I don't think you'd actually see it. But we are going up and down, and then we're going around the galaxy as well in that great big circular loop on the centre, and that's the way the sun is moving, and there's nothing there that can harm us in any way at all. All the nearest stars are vast distance away. There's nothing here that can harm us. So I hope this helps some of you who are scared. And then, so now if we go and look at, we're safe from anything that happens. You often get these stories by the centre of the gravity of the galaxy, and we are safe from anything that can happen in the centre of our galaxy. You just don't need to worry about it. It's thick. That's where we are. All this gas and dust between us and the centre, and that's the dust and gas you can see with an infrared image of the Milky Way. And that blocks out any jets or anything in the centre of the galaxy, making it completely harmless to us. So, anyway, if you're good at fact checking and helping people who are scared, then do join our Facebook group and do Stay Debunked on Facebook. And if you're scared, then do join and you find people there who can reassure you and with astronomical knowledge and so on, and who know how to do fact checking. And that's the purpose of our group, to help people who are scared by fact checking the things that scare them. We're not therapists. The people who are very scared, of course, that is also any form of anxiety or suicide is a mental health. Suicidal wishes is a mental health issue, and so these you now people who are qualified who can help, and we try to direct people in that direction as far as possible. So that's not our job, but we are there to help you as best we can with the fact checking, which is often what people are so scared of.